Alright, so today we're going to do the sound test of these Cantons. These are the Cantons Plus X.2, the second generation of their mini bookshelf speakers plus X. Well, technically, this is actually I think, the fourth generation or fifth generation because oh, never mind, the fourth because before this, there's the plus S and the GL, I think 210, which are all based in a similar design with a 4.5-inch woofer and a 1 inch. Either it's a silk dome tweeter or later they adopted the titanium manganese tweeters like these. Anyways, they're pretty decent speakers in my opinion. They get the job done, whether it's surround speakers, outdoor speakers, or just your regular bookshelf speakers for, I don't know, maybe your computer. Uh, they sound pretty good. They have their problems. They're not perfect sounding speakers. Honestly, a lot of people say how good these Cantons sound. I think they're a little overrated, but that doesn't mean they sound bad. They're still pretty damn good. So I guess the only way to tell is to do some tests. So uh, let's play a couple of songs and have a listen at these Canton bookshelf speakers. All right, that would be the end of the first track. Now, let us play the second track. Like always, it's going to be a more vocal focused track. So let's do that. There we go. second track. Let's move on to the third song. It is going to be a hip hop focused track, so you're going to get more bass, kick, and it's more of an electronic type of music rather than someone played it with an instrument or something like that. Well, you will see how good these perform. Let's have a listen.
Pick up the phone when I call you. Pick up the phone when I real one call you. Real one call you. Call you. Real one call you. Pick up the phone when I call you. Pick up the phone when I real one call you. Real one call you. Call you. Real one call you. Hit my hotline. Hotline. Call me anytime, any day. I am just a call away. My hotline, hotline. Call me anytime, any day. I am just a call away. Ring my line up whenever you need me. I'll travel through the FaceTime. Pull up on you easy. Kicking on the phone with you all night. Talking about some, if you hold me down, get anything you want. Pick up the phone when I call you. Pick up the phone when I real one call you. Real one call you. Call you. Real one call you. Pick up the phone when I call you. Pick up the phone when I real one call you. Real one call you. Call you. Real one call you. Hit my hotline. Hotline. Call me anytime, any day. I am just a call away. My hotline. Hotline. Call me anytime, any day. I am just a call away. Look, I'm tired of texting, I need to see you now. I just touched down and I just caught me a car. On the way right now, on the way right now. Baby, come outside, I'm on your side of town. I know you've seen me calling, pick up for me now. Pick up the phone when I call you. Pick up the phone.
Alright, so that concludes the audio test of the Canton Plus X.2s. So let's do a quick analysis. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, these have a lot of treble, and I mean a lot. Now, it's not bad treble, it sounds clean and undistorted, unlike the art audio, which is basically missing the treble, although it also sounded harsh. The reason these are harsh is probably because these tweeters are quite a bit overpowering when compared to a meager 4.5-inch woofer. Pair it with a subwoofer, the results might be a lot different. So, I guess the tweeters might be a little too big for speakers like these. However, another issue I could hear by just listening to these, not only for the video but also on a daily basis, it's boomy. It's boomy, and because of the plastic enclosure, I don't care what kind of composite material they call it, it's plastic. Because of that plastic enclosure, you could hear some of the hunkiness through the mid-bass section, which is inevitable because, it's plastic. It's not a cast aluminum or anything like that. And yeah, a lot of audio companies would give you fancy name for their plastic stuff, but it's plastic. It sounds like plastic. It is plastic. Don't bullshit me. That's fucking plastic. So, yeah. Other than that, I feel like these are a really good pair of speakers. And if you have an amplifier with, say, an equalizer or some DSP, or if you're using it as a computer speaker and you have equalizer APO or any sort of equalization app and installed in it, you could basically reduce the honkiness and it will sound very, very good. These woofers are quite capable, and they would take a decent amount of power before, distorting and making weird sound. The only thing I'll be worrying about is the plastic that's distorting. Not the woofer, it's not going to blow, but the plastic enclosure, yeah, it's not really that well built, in my opinion. It could have done a lot better. They already had a awesome crossover for both the woofer and the tweeter, and a really good tweeter and woofer. Maybe I don't know, just not use plastic. I guess they're really expensive. But anyways, that would be it for this video, and I hope you liked it.